Welcome back to Homebuyer University. Today we're going to unpack cosigners and everything that you and your cosigner need to know.
It's not uncommon for people to need a cosigner when trying to purchase a home. Cosigning is a really common thing in the mortgage world, and it serves a really specific purpose. Oftentimes, if you're trying to buy a home on your own, it's possible that you might not have enough income or be able to show enough income to qualify for it on your own. And this is where a cosigner comes in. They'll typically come in with you, and they'll make sure that their income is counted in addition to yours to help you achieve the price point that you're targeting. Cosigning does have some strings attached though. Andrew, tell us about some of those strings.
The first string is they're going to have to do some work. Essentially, your cosigner is applying for the mortgage with you. This means that their mortgage professional is also going to verify their pay stubs, all of their income documentation, their credit profile to see if they can help you qualify. So they go through the same mortgage process that you do.
Not only are they going through the same process that you are to get that loan, but they're going to be as equally involved in the transaction. So dates and timeframes are going to be really important for them to adhere to, in addition to you adhering to them. So making sure you're on the same team and dates and timeframes are communicated clearly is going to be super important.
The third thing is to make sure that they understand the impact that them co-signing is going to have on their credit profile. If they go to apply for a loan in the future, this will show up on their credit report, which could affect their ability to purchase things that they might want to in the future.
Now, one nice thing about that is once you have made 12 months of payments without any help from that cosigner, that debt no longer has to be counted against them. But it might hinder them trying to do something on their own for 12 months until you can show that you've made 12 consecutive payments in a row on your own. Lastly, a really important piece that impacts you and your cosigner is the title of your new home, which is effectively the ownership of that new home.
Everyone who's on the mortgage is also going to be on title. That's why it's important to choose your cosigner wisely and make sure that it's someone that you trust, but also you share the same long-term vision for home ownership.
As a quick aside, some mortgages don't allow co-signers. So what you're going to want to do is just explore options with your mortgage professional to make sure you have the right fit. And if a co-signer is needed, it's approved and they know exactly what they need to get in order to be on that loan with you.